Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you my top 5 residential proxy site. Now, my first one is Nodemaven. The reason it's because it's my first one, because I have been getting banned while trying to drive traffic to my CPA offers by using cheap proxies. But the moment I shifted to Nodemaven, I was able to drive legit human-like traffic on my CPA offers, and I was even able to do my first cash out. And you can even go to my Telegram channel, and you can see evidence for my payout there. So Nodemaven offers two types of proxies: premium rotating residential proxies and static residential proxies. And rotating residential proxies, they have various type of proxies here, very nice types of proxies. They have residential proxies and mobile proxies. Depending on the type of a site you are running, you will be able to choose them. You will be able to choose accordingly the type of proxies that you need. So in my automation journey here, I only use Nodemaven proxies here to drive traffic to my CPA offers. This is AI automation, and I'm able to drive legit traffic. For example, this is my two browsers opens here. So using ads power and connected to Nodemaven proxies, I'm able to post my landing page here, and I'm able to open simultaneously on various tabs. I can have more than 10 tabs open, and I'll be able to put my CPA offering, click there, and be able to drive legit traffic which cannot be flagged by the CPA offer site. So apart from that, Nodemaven, they have very cheap prices on their proxy. Compared to the service they are offering and the quality of the IP they provide, their price is very quite affordable. So if you are tired of getting banned while running your multiple accounts, while driving traffic to your CPA offers, consider checking out Nodemaven. There is a link under the video description where you can click on that link to register an account, and even you can use my code, which is even more better, to get a very much discount on your on your continuous purchase of plans on Nodemaven. So my next site is called 9Proxy here. 9Proxy is also a very good site. They offer traffic in form of they sell residential proxies in form of traffic here, in form of traffic and in form of the number of IPs. So remember, their IPs are very good, and you can see I'm advertising something that I use, so you can be able to check them out. They also provide legit proxies which can help you to scale up your work, either working on surveys or running multiple survey accounts. Then my number 3 is called Jonx residential proxies. Most people have a mixed reaction on this site. To some people, like me or others, they are able to use the site I recommend, but to others, they cannot be able to. So my secret to working on proxy site: concentrate on a single site or 2 or 3 sites which you have mastered on how they work, and you'll be surprised how much you can make from a particular proxy site. But I would insist checking out Nodemaven. And Nodemaven, because it's the best among the sites which have operated with. So also you can see Jonx, they offer various type of proxies. They offer residential proxies, mobile proxies, and ISP proxies. And then the one other thing I say, as you are selecting the plan that you buy, it always depends with the kind of work you are doing. If you're doing a very sensitive work, which is IP sensitive, mobile or residential proxies with real ISPs are the best for that particular work. Now, the fourth site which I want to show you today is called 711 Proxy. They operate the same as 9Proxy, and they offer residential proxies, static residential proxies, and SOX 5 proxies. And they sell in terms of number of IPs or in terms of traffic. So just buy the plan that is convenient for you. But if you're doing CPA offers, for example on Nodemaven, always buy the traffic. The traffic option is the best when doing CPA offers. Now, my fifth site is called Proxy Seller. They offer various types of residential proxies, and they are rotating, and they provide real ISPs. So in case you don't want residential proxies, they also offer mobile proxies and ISP proxies. But as I say, the number of the type of proxy that you choose always depends with the kind of work you're going to use it on. And I've done reviews for all these sites on my YouTube channel. In case you need further information, go to the specific videos which I've done for these particular sites, and you are going to learn more knowledge. But today, those are my best top 5 residential proxy sites which provide real ISPs which are from real actual providers. Yeah, the IPs that guarantees that you won't get burnt when doing automation. Specifically for those people doing CPA marketing, the quality of an IP is the most essential aspect of that particular work. So guys, thank you for watching. That's the short update I had for you today, and keep it locked to my YouTube channel.